Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Gelato Global Print on Demand, my fulfillment experience review. Gelato Global Print on Demand offers a platform for businesses and individuals to create and sell customized print products without managing inventory. It connects users with a global network of print providers, allowing for local production and shipping, potentially reducing costs and delivery times. The target audience is likely entrepreneurs, artists, and anyone looking to sell merchandise or personalized items. Key features seemingly include product design tools and integration with various e-commerce platforms. Their website provides details on the various product categories offered, from apparel and wall art to stationery and phone cases. They emphasize streamlined order fulfillment and global reach, suggesting competitive advantages in production speed and international shipping. Gelato seems to be positioning itself as a hassle-free, scalable print-on-demand solution, promoting ease of use and potentially cost-effective production due to its localized printing network. You can check out their website for a full breakdown of their services and pricing. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Gelato Global Print on Demand. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I connected my Shopify store without any hiccups and the initial setup was pretty intuitive. Navigating the interface was generally easy. I designed a couple of t-shirts using their built-in design tool and found it fairly user-friendly, though adding more complex designs required a bit of a learning curve. I particularly liked the mock-up generator, which allowed me to visualize my products before sending them to print. To test the service, I ordered a sample t-shirt and a mug. The t-shirt arrived within a week, and the print quality was decent, though the colors were slightly less vibrant than I expected based on the digital mock-up. The mug took a little longer, about 10 days, and arrived perfectly. The standout feature for me was definitely the wide range of products they offer. I had a quick question about order tracking, and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a readily available mobile app, which would have been convenient for managing orders on the go. It also took me a little while to fully understand how the pricing and shipping costs were calculated for different regions. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Gelato. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and offered a relatively seamless print-on-demand experience. That's my overview of Gelato Global Print on Demand, my fulfillment experience review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.